Long terminal repeats. Eukaryotic retrotransposons fall into two groups. The first group is called as long terminal repeat retrotransposons, and the second group is called as non-long terminal repeat retrotransposons or non-LTRs. Long terminal repeats LTR stand for long directed terminal repeat. LTR consists of 250 up to 600 base pair direct repeat sequences located at the ends of retrotransposons. Mean there is a region in the middle that is coding, and on both ends there are a LTR which consists of 250 up to 600 direct sequences. Long terminal repeats flank viral retrotransposons and retroviruses. They contain regulatory sequences like transcription start site and poly A site. Here is the diagram of a long terminal repeat, where we can see that in the middle there is a protein coding region, and on both sides there are LTR. LTR can be between 250 base pair up to 600 base pair. On this side we can also see that there is LTR, and there is a target site direct repeat sequences from 5 to 10 base pair. The size of a typical LTR retrotransposons can be between 6 up to 11 kb. This is another diagram about the long terminal repeat, where we can see that this is a viral DNA and different genes, and this is the DNA sequence that RNA is converted into DNA, and the integrated DNA, where we can see that on both ends there are long terminal repeats. A descriptive view of the long terminal repeats. In the middle there is a coding region. On left hand or on this direction we can see that there are LTR region, and on this side we can also see that there is LTR region. So LTR region, they are present on both sides of the coding region. So integrated retroviral DNA will be converted into primary transcript, and it will again converted into retroviral RNA genome. Another diagram in which we can see that what are long terminal repeats. Long terminal repeats, they are present on both sides, and in the middle there is a coding region that produces the messenger RNA from TY elements in case of yeast genome. So if we conclude that what are long terminal repeats, eukaryotic retrotransposons fall into two different categories. They are called as LTR retrotransposons and non-LTR retrotransposons.